Young life it transforms lives, it's life-changing. This culture of being so connected yet so alone, it's breeding itself more and more. Kids feel anxious. We're seeing a rise of, it's an epidemic of mental health. Kids are being diagnosed with all sorts of mental health issues, depression, anxiety, PTSD, things which I'm familiar with through my own walk. My heart for young people is helping them see they are not alone, but they are not just victims to technology, but they can utilise it and know that there's so much more. There are people out there, and the answers they're looking for validation, for care, for where to go in their futures, that can all be found in Jesus. As we go to where the kids are at, working with Young Life and being part of the Developing Global Leaders program, I get more time to go to where the kids are at. And then building the relationship with them, I get more time to build a relationship with them because I can just be present at a few more things, a few more school events, a few more clubs, a few more all these things which I would otherwise find difficult as a volunteer. It's also enabled me to have a position to focus on my studies so that I can pursue this passion of academia I've got. So because someone has sponsored me, I've seen kids turning from finding their validation in Instagram posts to finding their validation in Jesus. I've seen kids going from perceiving themselves to social outcasts to being so dearly loved by a community of Jesus lovers. Change your life, change your nation. Sponsor a developing global leader today.